Hey John, it's Brandon at Lasco. Just wanted to give you the quick walk around of the 3500. 6.6 turbo diesel, 3500. Great tread on the tires. As you can see, Allison transmission, Duramax 3500. Engine compartment's in great shape. Tow hooks in the front. Fixed running boards, as you can see, all the lining all the way around. It's in awesome shape. Running boards are in great shape. Door jambs are in great shape. Interior's in great shape. Very good looking vehicle. It's an SLE 4x4 spray and bed liner. Very good looking truck. Big old trailer hitch on there. Coming over to the driver's side, still in good shape. Don't see any rust. Power windows, power locks, power mirror. Daytime running lights. Very good looking vehicle. Wayne will be getting in touch with you here shortly. My number is 810-593-1256. Let me know what you think. 810-593-1256. Thanks a lot, John.